Good morning, everybody. Honesty is having eggs, some scrambled eggs for breakfast. Oops. She's got a bunch almost going down her shirt. How about we get it in our mouth, honey? Then, still got a little bit here. Yogurt mixed with mango and banana and kiwi. Plus she's got half a toast in the toaster and she's gonna have some almond butter on it. And that'll be her breakfast. For my breakfast, I'm gonna have some oatmeal and a banana and some yogurt. I just finished putting some more dishes in the dishwasher and now I've started it. And I've got 6 dishes to clean otherwise, so I'm gonna do that. Boy, she's gonna have everything shoved in here soon. I'm watching this funny compilation of videos. Oh my god. I can't stop laughing. That's so sad.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it.
Oh my god. What? I love that song. What the hell? Oh my god, I do that all the time.
You gonna do this every time? You know my crew ride hard!
Oh my god. Honesty's having some lunch now. Hey, honey. Let's see. Here you go. For lunch, Honesty's having some lentils, quinoa macaroni, carrots, turnip, and cheese sauce. And she is loving it. I've mixed it all together just to make it easier to spoon up. Let's see here. Oops. There. Look at how good you're getting at that, honey. Good job. She's enjoying it. Mommy gonna take the spoon and give you some more food? She's doing this cute thing. I can't show you right now because she's not doing it, but take your food. Want some more? Yum. Now. Oh, she didn't do it this time. Oh, there we go. I think she's gonna, nope. There, she sticks it in her mouth and then tries not to let me take it out. Oh, are you gonna do, oh, there we go. And then I go like this, and then I go like this. Oh, oh, I got it. And there's Boots, basically humping a blanket, purring, and Honesty was like, what's that? Oh boy, toddler questions. What's he doing? Oh my god, and pauses right there. She's probably like, shut up, I'm trying to sleep. And then for dessert, after lunch, she's having a full banana and some water to drink. and I'm gonna eat after I put her down for a nap. Today she's going down for a nap at 1:30 because her and I woke up late. I forgot to mention that she woke up at 4:30 this morning and did not go back to sleep until about 6:30. And then, yeah, that sucked. And she woke up later than usual. It was like 9:30. So then I got up and made her food, and by the time she was eating, it was just a bit after 10. So she started eating lunch at like 12:35. No, don't put the whole thing in. Just a little bit. Oh boy. She put a whole lot of banana in her mouth. Chew. Oh, honey, you should wait until you're done the rest. You look like a chipmunk. I don't want to change the routine too much, so she's going to go to bed at 1:30. Not much of a difference. She probably wouldn't have fallen asleep until now anyways, and she looks exhausted. So I'm going to give her some water, clean her up, get her dressed because we're going to Matt's parents tonight for supper, and put her to bed. For my lunch, I'm having a hamburger and some carrots, green and yellow beans, and some turnip, and one of Matt's tea biscuits, plus a glass of water. This should be super delicious. Now we're on our way to Matt's parents' place for some supper and a visit. And there's cute little Honesty. Had to wake her up from her nap, actually, because she didn't fall asleep until about 2, and then Matt got home at about 4:10 or something like that, and she still wasn't awake yet, so I turned on the monitor and basically used the intercom to wake her up, and then Matt went down and changed her and got her ready, and yep, now we're on our way. So there's supposed to be a storm where we get some odd centimeters today of snow, and look at those big flakes. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like, the only thing though is that it's like freezing rain and snow though, so it kind of sucks, but because it's gonna be slippery on our way home, I imagine, but it's so pretty. It's 7:17 and we just left his parents a little bit ago. And we're on our way home, so Honesty's gonna get to bed a little, oof, that storm. Honesty's gonna get to bed a little later tonight. Wow, you can barely see me. So, for supper, we had chicken, carrots, potatoes, and rice. That's what Honesty had too. And she had, and we had some gravy. She didn't have any gravy. And then she had half a banana and some strawberries, and she drank some milk. For our dessert, we had gingerbread cookies that his mom made, and they were really delicious. We're gonna go home, put her to bed, and Matt's gonna go to a meeting, and I am gonna do my nightly routine. Gonna do my nightly routine, which consists of emptying the dishwasher, filling it with the new stuff, giving the cats their food, uploading the clips to my computer, and then potentially editing. Wow, it's bad out here. Can't really see much of it, but let's see. Visibility was really bad at one point there, and the roads are pretty slippery. Eek! First snowstorm. 9:23 and Matt and I are about to sit down and watch some $1 Million Rooms episodes, and I forgot the baby diaper bag in the car, so Matt just went out to get it in the storm. It got worse, so that's fun. And I already finished giving the cats their food plus Boots medicine, and I emptied the dishwasher and filled it again, except I have to add the, well, not filled it, but with what was there. Obviously, we didn't have a lot of dishes at supper because we ate somewhere. But I have the dishes from what we brought to his parents to put in there. And I I'm going to have a big pan to put in there as well after, because I'm going to cook some hamburger that needs to be cooked. So we can have hamburgers. I'm going to close the vlog for tonight. Good night, everyone.